Hello,
Hi Sunil.
how are you? Hi, how are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm great. What about you?
I'm good as well. And first of all, let me tell you about myself. As you know, my name is Sunil, and originally I'm from Haryana, but I live in Delhi. And I'm a teacher. I
Okay.
used to teach in private school, and I have 13 years of teaching experience. Now, please tell
Yeah,
me something about yourself.
yeah, I already know about my name, Priyanka.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
from Tamil Nadu.
yeah.
Yeah, I have completed MA English Literature last year, and yeah, and I'm preparing for competitive exams, and yeah, I want to become an inspired teacher. Yeah,
Okay,
that is
that's
my
great.
dream job. Yeah,
Okay. So, how long have you been learning English? Can you tell me?
yeah. Um, before 3 months.
Okay, so what kind
Yeah,
of activities are you doing in order to improve your English?
yeah. Uh, I every day 1 or 2 or 3 hours I usually talk with my friends and hear some English videos
Okay,
because I want to develop my accent. That's
okay,
why yeah.
okay. So, what is the situation of Corona in your state?
Yeah, it's increasing day by day. Yeah,
Still, it is
how it's going?
cases are increasing still.
Yeah, dear.
Okay, so in Delhi, situation is normal nowadays.
Yeah, here most of the people
Okay,
don't know, don't get any awareness about corona,
okay,
and
okay,
yeah, that's why it's increasing day by day. So
okay. That's it.
if we give some awareness, proper awareness to them, means really we
Yeah,
will
yeah,
get, we will take back us, everyone. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. And have you been vaccinated? Have you got your
Dear.
vaccine? Have you got your vaccine?
No, no, no.
Okay, not yet.
Yeah,
So,
not yet. Yeah, if I get a chance, really I will do.
okay. So
Yeah,
tell me
yeah,
something about your state. What is your state famous for? Like
yeah.
famous thing. Okay.
Yeah. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost state of India, and
Okay.
Tamil Nadu covers an area of 1,30,058 square kilometer, and
Okay.
Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest state by area and sixth largest by population. And
Okay.
official languages is Tamil, and which is one
Okay.
of the longest surviving classical language in the world.
Okay. Okay.
Especially, Tamil Nadu has 32 district. Now I'm living in Teni district. It is a
Okay.
hidden
Okay.
paradise because I'm living in a greenery place.
Okay. That's great. And if I talk about Haryana, you know,
Hmm.
Haryana is famous for like sports and songs and dance and like industries also. You know, there are so many industries in Haryana, and you will find
Okay.
Haryanvi people in every field. You know, in every job, every field you
Mhm.
will find. And a lots of people are doing their like farming work in villages area.
Mm.
They also do
Okay.
some other work, like they are running their own business, and some of them are working in government sector and private sector as well. And
Okay.
if you like like the battle of Mahabharata was also fought there in Haryana, Kurukshetra, you might have heard. And Lord Krishna like narrated the divine Bhagavad Gita there in Haryana,
Yeah.
Kurukshetra.
Okay.
So this is about Haryana.
Which is your
So
famous festival?
yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Which is your famous festival? In my side, we are celebrated as a Pongal.
Okay, okay,
In your
okay.
side, which is your favorite? A famous festival.
Yeah, we just celebrate all the festival like Holi, Deepavali, like Makar Sankranti, uh,
Yeah.
all festival. Those are.
Okay.
mm. So
And your state
so
dance.
Yeah,
in your state dance?
yeah. In my state, they don't do like Haryanvi dance, like folk dance, Haryanvi dance, and
Okay.
yeah. So let's move on to our topic. We
Yeah,
have one topic, no? So,
yeah.
so in your opinion, which is more important, brain or beauty?
Yeah. Brain was beauty. This is our topic today's.
Okay.
Okay. I mean,
So,
according to me,
yeah, yeah.
brain is most important than beauty
Okay.
because yeah, uh, uh, beauty without brain we can't do anything. We can't
Right.
achieve anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can see yeah, and at the same time, if you are enter any interview, they expect first they are expect our outer beauty, na? Then
Okay, okay,
only they
okay.
are checking our knowledge.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I agree with you. You know, beauty, yeah. Beauty is 9 days wonder. You know, it gets faded after a time. And you know, if
yeah,
somebody has like a brain, so he or she can do everything in their life. He or she can achieve everything. You know, there are so many great people, like successful people. They are successful
yeah.
because of their brain. They are not successful
Yes,
because of their beauty. You know,
yeah,
if you go to like crack your interview, if you go to
yeah,
want to qualify your an exam, then
yeah,
brain is required. No? Now beauty doesn't
yeah,
work.
yeah.
So I also agree with you. Like brain
Yeah,
is more important. With the help of
yeah, I know.
brain we can do everything. And business,
Yeah,
we can do any job. And you, as you told, like if you go to like face any interview, then
yeah,
yeah, some people say that beauty is like first impression is the last impression. But I don't think so. Yeah, if you go to face an interview, the interviewer after some time, interviewer will ask you some questions, and then
yeah,
they will figure out that you are not talented, you don't have brain. Then they will reject you, na? So
yeah.
think is that.
Really.
Mm.
And we can buy some beauty things like lipstick, eyeliner, and all that. But we can't buy beautiful brain and a good
Yeah,
brain. We can't buy, na?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, you are right. And some people say that, but nowadays some people give preference to give so much importance to beauty in like even workplace also they think that our staff should be beautiful, but I don't think so. It is good.
yeah, really.
In my opinion, brain is more important.
Yeah, according to me, brain is more important than beauty. And you can see beauty is divided into two parts and inner beauty
Yeah,
and outer beauty.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
most
you
of
are.
our inner beauty only shows our yeah shows who we are. Yeah, and
Yeah,
outer beauty one attracts
yeah, yeah, only
them.
attracts us, yeah, attracts people. But
And
in
yeah, yeah, yeah,
so
dear.
yeah, yeah, you tell, carry, go on, go ahead.
And yeah, I will give one the best example for
Yeah,
that. Yeah, APJ Abdul Kalam.
yeah, 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 you are right.
Um, yeah,
I know.
he is not that much beauty. He shows art.
Yeah,
Yeah, then but he is a famous person.
okay,
How
yeah, yeah,
it
yeah.
happened? All it because his knowledge.
Yeah, you are right. There are
Yeah,
so many great people, successful people, who are not
yeah,
like handsome or beautiful. Still, they are successful because of their, with the help of their brain. You know, some people
yeah,
say that in our Bollywood, they they need like if you go to Bollywood, so they need they want beauty,
yeah,
but it's not like that. There are so many actor and actors. They are not beautiful. Still, they are very good in acting, and they are successful. And I think beauty can be purchased. You know, there's so many people they go for surgery and they go for to beauty parlor and in order to look beautiful.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, if you want to increase our beauty, we want to go somewhere. But if you
yeah,
want to develop our knowledge and all that, we should go a school and college and
we
become
need to work
big
hard. Yeah,
knowledge. Yeah,
brain can't be purchased by money, na? With money, na?
yeah, money. But we can buy more and more things doing our beauty.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you are right. But nowadays people are like, as I told you, people give too much importance to beauty also.
yeah,
Mm.
yeah. They think that beauty is more important than
Yeah,
knowledge.
yeah, yeah. They think.
That's
They
yeah.
think that like the first impression is the last impression. You know, they
Last thing,
give this kind of example.
yeah.
Okay.
That's why they are doing
So,
like this.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And your what is your mother tongue?
Yeah, my mother tongue is Tamil.
Okay. So can you speak and understand Hindi?
No, dear.
Okay, can't understand.
Even single word I don't know. If you are
Oh,
talking anything in Hindi, I can't able to understand because
okay.
I know little bit of Malayalam,
Okay, okay.
Kannadam, and Telugu. Yeah, Tamil and English. That's all. 5 languages only I know. Yeah,
Okay, that's great.
yeah. If I get a chance to learn in Hindi, means really I will learn that language.
Okay, so do people speak English in your state, like around your neighborhood or in your surrounding?
Yeah,
People
nowadays
speak.
I have a lot of friends nearby my home and all that. When
Okay,
I got a, I mean, when I get a, a free time, I have
okay,
free timings. Really, I do some conversation with them.
okay, that's great.
Yeah, we can
And
take some topic and all that. Yeah,
okay, okay, that is great. No, and did you find any improvement in your English? As you said, you have been
yeah,
learning English for 3 months. So did you find any
yeah,
improvement?
yeah. A little bit of improvement. I nowadays I'm facing some strangers.
Okay,
Yeah, with some goods. Yeah.
okay, okay. That's good. It is, English is required nowadays. It is
Yeah,
very,
it's more essential. It's more and more an essential thing for everywhere. No?
yeah,
You
yeah,
can
it
go.
is. Mm.
English is most important,
Yeah,
much
yeah,
more
wherever
important.
you go, in
Yeah,
whichever field you go, English is required.
yeah.
Okay.
Without English, can't survive.
Yeah, 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 yeah. We can't get
Because
good
I'm
job.
a
Yeah.
yeah. So my dream job is want to become an inspired teacher. Before that, I
Okay.
want to develop myself. Then only I
Okay.
can
Okay.
go. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. Without learning spoken English, you can't go to that field.
yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. And do you want to ask something?
yeah. How the weather is in your side?
Yeah, right now weather is hot, very hot. And what
Yeah,
about your state?
here is full of raining.
So it's full of rain.
Yeah.
Oh, so how long it has been raining? I asked one
Uh,
girl. She was also saying same, like in southern part of India, it has been raining
yeah,
for
yeah, dear.
some days,
Last
for a
last
long
four
time.
days.
Okay, last
Last
day.
4 days. Yeah. We are
Okay.
facing that any problem.
So it is raining heavily. It has been raining heavily, or is just intermittently?
I couldn't understand. Come again.
So I'm saying it has been raining heavily there in your state.
Yeah, dear.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So do you like rainy season?
Yeah, I like more because we have to veg and we have to enjoy with rain and we have
Okay,
to play with rain like that.
okay, okay.
Yeah. So I
So
like rain.
as you are saying, the cases are increasing. So I think still you have strict lockdown.
Cyclone.
Is there strict lockdown in your state in Tamil Nadu?
Yeah, yeah, strict lockdown because
Okay,
in my government, MK
okay,
Stalin is the chief minister. So he has bought strict lockdown. Yeah,
okay,
because I said now, corona the corona the affection of corona is increasing day by day.
okay.
That's why, yeah, that's why.
But here northern part of India, the situation is normal. I think in every state. In Delhi
Okay.
also situation is getting better. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, economically, government staffs are getting salary from government, but you can see private staffs and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, they didn't. I mean, they can't able to face their basic needs. Yeah,
Yeah, same
because
situation here. It's here about like
yeah,
government sector. Same situation is
yeah.
there. You
In
are
other
right.
hand, you can see the auto driver and bus driver, private bus driver.
They
Yeah,
are,
and shopper. Yeah,
yeah, you are
those
right.
who are all facing lot of problems. They
Yeah,
economically are weak.
yeah.
Yeah,
And those who like work daily and daily, they are also
yeah,
facing problem na, because of this lockdown and all these things.
yeah.
Okay.
So we don't know when it's going to end. God only knows
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. We hope it will get, Corona will get over soon. We are hoping
yeah,
this. Okay,
yeah.
so it was nice talking to you. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, Sunil.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.